Hi.
Hi there.
Thank you so
Very
much.
nice.
Brilliant.
No problems. Have a
Thank
good
you.
evening.
Yeah, you too.
Wow, that is a fat cat.
Pull the lever, Crunk. Wrong lever!
Did you finish packing?
Yeah, I just got these shoes.
We have a serial killer on our hands. What?
Literally, what is he doing?
There's a floof on the end of your paw. You're gonna, yeah. See? The tickle. Oh, look at his face. Look.
Idiot, you're not wearing green. It's St. Patrick's Day, idiot. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Pinch, pinch. Green.
Are you okay?
Why do you hate me?
Excusez-moi. Oh my god, I just... She is fine. Some salmon for you. For your troubles.
Also, falls du darauf hinaus willst, dass dann auch mehr zwischen uns wäre, muss ich dich leider...
Oh, oh.
Hi, see you soon. See you soon.
Sometimes when you have a cat, you have to hug them so hard that they hate it.
Ginger.
Hey, I'm getting Starbucks. You want anything? All right, kitty, your turn. Go.
Nice hat, partner.
I'm so in love.
And there we go. Did you need something? I have to show you something, what I do. Okay.
How in the world can people not like cats? Like, look at this. Look at him.
Don't.
That's so weird, dude. I don't even care.
Sassy.
İki usta var. İkisi birlikte çalışıyorlar.
Like, arguably one of the ugliest cats I've ever seen.
He is ugly.
Pull the lever, Kronk.
What the is this?
Holy smokes, dude. My cut is insane. Shout out to my barber, dog.
You guys.
Oh, get him! Get him! Oh, yo! Look at this cat we just trapped. Oh my god.
What are you talking about?
What?
Behind you!
Oh my god!
Nella?
I will grow under any conditions.
I think I'm allergic to tap water.
Okay, babe, hold on. I just need to get my bracelet and my...
These little girls love each other so much. I lucked out so much. Wait, no, Gravy! Okay, sometimes Gravy thinks this is part of grooming, is just latching on.
I love you.
Yeah, cool. I love you too.
I want to stay with you in your room, in your bed.
Okay, well, that's not gonna happen. Anyway.
What is something that your dog does that you just don't even think twice about, but anytime anyone else sees it, it's kind of shocking or weird? I'll go first.
You guys, how can I get rid of this? Like, how can I just let her back outside? She doesn't even want to go outside. Oh. She's seriously one of the sweetest cats that I've ever known. Like, she's sweeter than half of my cats that I have.
Okay, this is gonna tell us if Indigo and I are soulmates. Oh. Let's see what it says about Poppy and I. I knew you only loved lamb chop.
So my cat has managed, she got locked in the bathroom, to open a door
a drawer. Jasmine, what did you do? And I don't even have the hinges. Help.
Part 2 of having to take care of my Mimi's rabid cat. Her food bowl's over there and I can't even get to it to feed her because she's being a little Whoa! Roll over. Roll over.
Oh, it's Posy's arch nemesis. You gonna come kick his ass? Okay, wait. No! Hey, Posy! Get the hell back in the house. I'm sorry, Katie. I'm sorry my cat sucks. I can still be your friend.
I told you don't get back there. Come on, I got you.
You look so handsome in your heated bed. Do you like it?
I came to work, and there was a cat in a box.
Nice. Good spot. Thanks, babes.
Our queen. You're making the water brown already. Sounds like chirping.
Ow, you bit me again.
Wait, what? You're not coming to my tea party? Bethany, I made biscuits!
And then BAM! She got hit by a big ass truck. What?
Oh my goodness.